making some green juice packed with lots of health benefits. It includes spinach, parsley, cucumber, green apple. I love juicing. Today, spinach, parsley, cucumber, green apple, ginger, coconut water. Listen, check out my video. All these green fruits, veggies are packed with antioxidants, supports our immune system, reduces inflammation, improves digestion, also helps in weight loss, and detoxifies our bodies. Packed with vitamins A and C, which are very essential and important vitamins that we need. Listen, get on the green juice train after having water first thing in the morning. Coconut water is an option. If you don't have coconut water, feel free to use whatever sweetener you like. Listen, get on the green juice train. It is good for you. A little lemon water is also healthy and also good for our bodies. When we get up in the morning, before we put food in our stomachs, once it's empty, it's always good to get a little lemon water in and green juice. Make this for the week. Add it in your refrigerator in an airtight jar and have this each day. Packed with lots of benefits. I strained mine and I added a little cayenne pepper to mine because that's my business and I wanted to. Feel free to exempt that from yours. Spinach, parsley, cucumber, green apple, ginger, coconut water, a little lemon zest also because the spinach and the parsley has a bitter taste. So because that's my business, I added a little lemon zest. Listen, feel free to sweeten yours with sugar, honey. I'm trying to stay away from sugar and certain things, so I used coconut water. Strain this as much as you would like to get the excess out. I did not peel my cucumbers because the benefit is always in the skin of the fruits, not the white part. I just dice and I just blend. Feel free to juice. And listen, your girl taste tested this at the end to show you. Once I get up in the morning, I try to make green juice a part of my day. Natural. This will help you. It gives so much more energy. Hey guys, so I finished making some green juice packed with lots of health benefits for us. If you don't like to eat green vegetables or eat greens, then juicing is another way out. So this green juice, which I'll take a sip so you see it's real, includes spinach, parsley, cucumber, green apple, ginger, a little lemon juice, and how can I forget coconut water? The coconut water was my sweetener for this juice. Feel free, if you're juicing or if you're blending like I did, I blended because I didn't want to juice. Feel free to use water. Feel free to use whatever sweetener you want, but don't forget to include a green juice in your daily diet. I have this first thing every morning before I eat. I try to have a little green juice. Feel free to add this in your smoothie or whatever you choose, but don't forget the green juice. Don't be mean with it. Please give your girl a like when you see this video. Thanking you already for your support. Get on the green juice train.